Remember when APIs unlocked the web and made integration easy to use? Well, we're in that moment again. Model Context Protocol. This open standard and framework lets AI have hands and legs to operate, to perform actions. Well, Informatica put fuel on fire. On the Intelligent Data Management Cloud, with the help of Claire AI, Informatica started launching AI for data management. Now, fast forward 2025, Informatica has already launched agent engineering, the ability to create autonomous agents to do work in the context of data management. Player agents are basically giving themselves an upgrade with Informatica's own MCP server. We at Datacolor have been following this path for at least 6 months. So we launched a set of offerings called Atlas. Now, this is not a product. This is a solution that we launched to accelerate Informatica IDMC agent engineering adoption. Let me quickly walk you through how Atlas works. And more importantly, let me start with a quick architecture overview. This is a quick overview of Datacolor's Atlas framework. It all uses Informatica behind the scenes. So what we essentially did was using Informatica's own MCP server, which is right here, we were able to tag our agents using the Informatica's own MCP server, and we gave a lot of tools for it to access to, be it email, Teams, Slack, any communication vehicles, be it Salesforce to update your CRM, be it Informatica's own microservices, MDM, master data updates, governance for data catalog, data quality rules, be it SAP for ERP and or be it Databricks and Snowflake for any kind of data warehousing or historical data detection. Not only did we give it tools to go and access to, we are also building agents to activate actions. Let me show that in action really quickly. Okay.
Welcome to the Datacolor Atlas framework. I'm about to ask it a quick question. What kind of Informatica capabilities does it offer? Here's how it operates. It all begins with a business term search, which essentially connects to CDGC. If there's a data lineage component, it will clearly display where the data is sourced and where it's headed using CDGC's set microservice. Additionally, you can find specific datasets or KPIs. There's also an option to establish specific access controls, like role-based and attribute-based access. You can authorize this agent to create access for a specific data asset in CDGC or CDQ. It can also query any data warehouses or databases, such as Databricks, Snowflake, Azure Data Lake Store, and even read through emails. It's connected to all of these at the moment. Let's try a simple query from the perspective of a business user. I'll ask for information about KPIs and see the response. The definition of the KPI, sales in USD, resides in CDGC. The relevant data quality rules are in Cloud Data Quality, and CAI orchestrates all of this. So Copilot is everything related to the KPI sales has been presented. Notice how it provided the definitions sourced from CDGC. There's also a formula type for it. Sum of sales per store. Makes sense, right? Total sales. It gives the data quality score. Completeness is 91%, and accuracy stands at 76%. The overall trust level is deemed good. This integration with LLMs helps determine what's good and bad, and you can override it if necessary. You can express your opinion on its reliability. Keep in mind that these data assets, like sales, can also be certified. From a single query, tell me a little bit about sales. All this information surfaced. The data quality, governance, and access control aspects are all detailed. Take note of this. It also indicates which assets contain this sales information. For instance, there's a related database column in Databricks, a database table, and even a Power BI report detailing the attributes. This is Informatica's MCP, right? MCP not only helps discover your data assets, but also allows further inquiry into their correctness. This is how a store manager interested in sales or a chief revenue officer might think. The Informatica team, through MCP capabilities, can interact with CDGC, CDQ, and MDM. Informatica presents a robust tool suitable for any enterprise, regardless of size, using any hyperscaler like AWS, GCP, or Azure. It works with databases like Databricks and Snowflake, orchestrating all data management. Imagine having this dialogue with your business user as a data steward. This is the power of Informatica within the MCP and AI ecosystem. Feel free to contact me by call, text, or email for further information.